Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to do Hello Neighbor Act 2. So this thing is going to come up in a second to unlock the door. Yeah, that thing. Okay. Now we can open the door and hold that, grab that and throw it away. Go through there. So I've heard Act 2 is very hard, stuck in the neighbor's house. But, okay. Step 1. You have to look for these things. I forgot the name, but don't worry. So, step 1. Unleash one of those. Okay, step 2. You have to go to the neighbor's house into the refrigerator to get the thing. I forgot his name. I don't know what it is, but when he was sleeping, I guess, because he would obviously just run after me. Right, let's grab that. Okay, throw. Oh, neighbor, what is he doing? No, why? Why is the neighbor after me? Right. Don't worry. Okay, open that. Now, step 2. Now we have to do it the same, just on the top of here. On that part, up there, and you can see it right in the corner. See it? Alright. Yeah, okay. Now step 3. Oh, yeah, step 4, I mean. Step 4, we have to go in the neighbor's house, the hardest bit, to go in the neighbor's house into his living room where he did sleep and try and do it in there. So, neighbor, no, neighbor. Don't worry, guys. No, it could be our chance to do it. Alright. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, and now, after you do that... No, the neighbours... But don't worry. Okay, you get one of those. Yes! Okay, now it's starting. We are halfway over it. So, step 6. Go up there. Throw it there and turn the thing. Oops. Okay, step 6, almost there. Come on, jump. Alright. Okay. And let's just put that there. Step 6. Okay. Step 7, what we have to do? Step 7. Oh, now I don't remember to put it here. Okay, turn it around. Why is that neighbor so annoying? Don't worry, this won't take very long. Okay, let's go up there. Oh, I did that one. I'm not so dumb. Okay, now there's one. We have to go up the ladder and on the rooftop of the neighbour's house. Okay, up here. Well, not on the rooftop, but yeah, on the roof of the neighbour's house. All right, great. Okay, here. And now, finally, the shark is gone and it's going to stop bothering you. Okay, up here. Almost there. Here. Through that door first. down here. The neighbour's gonna see me. I don't. Huh? What happened? Oh, okay. So I think we have to go on back and get the shovel, don't we? Yeah, we have to do that, can't we? Alright, finally. We have a shovel. Alright. Okay. Here. Now, after you do that, go here. Okay, go downstairs. Now again, we have to get our object. And get step 10, that was. So we're on step 10. Step 11, do that. Step 11, complete. Step 12, get the key. First key of the game. Woohoo! First key, step 7. So let's wait until the neighbour's gone. Okay. Just cut that piece because it was very long. And this door is locked. So now we have to go upstairs. No, that's the wrong way. Okay, upstairs. Go to the neighbour's garden. Okay, down there. Alright. Okay. Now, you see that big muddy piece on there? Oh, neighbour. Come on, just give up already. Shouldn't give that. Okay. Now, are we safe? Are we safe? Nah, the neighbour's close. I guess we're safe now. Just go down there. Go on, dig. More close. Okay, we're on step 12. Get the key. No, don't worry. We are very close. Okay. Second key, step 13. Go back and unlock that nose. You have to unlock that dollhouse now. Alright, here. Okay, down we go. Alright, now let's go here. Alright, and unlock that. Open the 2 of the doors. Did you know on Act 2, you don't have to open the trampoline? There's another way, and this is my way. An easier way. Hard going through the trampoline. Right? Now go to the neighbour's toilet. Open the door. Come on. To the neighbour's toilet. Well, it doesn't let me hold it. Oh, I had to throw something. You know what? I'll just throw the key away and hold that. Okay, yeah. Alright. Bro, how is the neighbour still? Alright. Okay, now we have to go here. Put it on the toilet. Does the neighbour get me then? Now go back to the neighbour's toilet. There's an easier way to do it. So this way. Up the stairs. Oh. Okay. Oh. Why did I fall so high? Okay, I didn't die there. I was like, nah. There's 2 minutes left on this video. Okay, now 2 minutes. Why does that always happen? Okay. Down. Duh! Wait. They have trousers? Really? You don't have trousers. Okay. Now go back to the toilet. Come on. Alright, okay. Go back to the toilet. Get the crowbar from here. Don't have to hold it. Right. We have the crowbar. Do not let the neighbours get you. That's a good trick I learned. Oh, my neighbours caught me now. Okay. Now go back. In the night. The night is the easiest time to do it. Okay. Yay. This is so cool. Okay, the video's almost done, but remember to like and subscribe to my channel and comment if you think I did well to show you how to do Act 2. Okay, open those. Oh, the act is almost over. Come on. 39 seconds left. Right. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I did the escape. Now the neighbour should be mad. Oh, look at that look. This just looks so creepy. Now remember to like and subscribe. Bye.